everyone, Andre here with Wings Mobile Detailing. Today, showing you another day of a franchise owner at Wings Mobile Detailing. Anybody who's interested into acquiring a franchise, become a business owner, you can check out online. So now time to deliver another van for our fleet, and we're gonna show around the supplies or materials and give you some insights of the interior of the van and the day-to-day use. Similar than the supplies and everything is ready.
Okay.
The only thing that's different here is all the supplies are here.
Yeah. Do that.
It's more on the interior stuff, and that pulls all the way out.
So you know that
so
is
you see.
right? All that. Yep. Odor eliminator. That's pretty nice, right? There you go. You got this. This, you know, this is the headliner and protection stuff. So these are like once you use them, like, and they got really dirty, then these are throwaways. Yeah, you can throw those away.
So we're always using new towels on the cars.
One would be for the sealant, right? And this one would be for the consumable page.